Hello everyone and welcome back to Solomon's Best Facebook page and also on our YouTube channel. It's good to be back again, this fella Solomon's Best, and as you may sabe, Solomon's Best is all about promoting positive things Solomon Island is doing. Yeah man, in terms of nation building, whether it be entrepreneurship, whether it be business, in agriculture, business, in anything where Solomon Island is doing. Music, art, sports, education, well anything that and be promoting positivity and can be bringing nation with him happiness and build him nation economically and socially and stuff like that. In today's episode, by me featuring a group of boys who are the hardworking, picking rubbish, but that's someone who involved with them, this fellow small entrepreneurship or economic business, and he been started some years ago. Phoenicia, he's a working class person, but he decided to come into this business of building and property management. Join me as you may find out more about this fellow Solomon Islanders. This fellow Solomon Islander, no Solomon Islanders. This fellow want to blame Solomon. Waiting story below him.
Hello everyone, name Romy Charles Welchman Rubaha. Nickname Romy means CW Rubaha. Sa company BMP SI Limited, I'm the director, and then we also the driver and wakama. Sometimes we supervise for the projects or anything requirement for the team.
What really inspired you for living Waka, a well-paid job every fortnight, and then you decide to come up with him, end up with an entrepreneurship idea of forming this company, building and property management and kind of. So what really inspired you?
Doon sa job, nice. But then kasi certain time whereby you need for waka po yung sila too. Okay? And also, let's say lot of jobs siya. You stop for aircon, stop to down and routine job. Sometimes when you become sicky, same too, yeah. And a little bit time you strong it, you need for waka po yung sila too. You become an entrepreneur and simple. Your own time and simple thing. Now, may decide po, what not. Actually, business niya, start time yung wakay. Slowly, we starting come time yung waka. Koko, time you go out, but also, you ready na for run na. I'm no meaning that me finish waka na, then we just start the business. Time yung waka, but slowly, business start na. So, being building and property management in 2009.
That's when you still work?
Yeah, we still work. That time we living company and run, no even take pay, no anything. So just help around na mga things. And then time after me retire or every work na, we go inside, same director, but we take pay what. And then also me live salary from me business.
Now, during the time you live in formal work, now you can work now. Also, you actually the driver and manage him yourself, daily routine work now, yeah? Experience with him the first year of operation, especially time you celebrate you out from work now, you come home. How was it like? Is it new or?
I'm very new because Gogo is because timing yung follow me celebrate. Okay? So kasi time you miss sleep no worry time kasi you sleep but no time you dim entrepreneur timing bro you celebrate important na. But you got more time for sleep, but you got more time for doing work too. Because you have to go around and finding job. Yeah? You cannot just sit down wait for the game ka work. Time lo formal na you sit down routine job you do that. But lo entrepreneur no, you know how to socialize. Checking when I start checking jobs.
So it's basically day and night work now.
Day and night you make a lunch so networking great.
Yeah. Building and property management, very important. Wakaya. Basically, let us know what is your services concerning building and property management. Waka.
Okay, sometimes the name of business is very important. That's why we can building and come for the buildings. Any jobs are there, maintenance or anything, everything inside plumbing, cleaning toilet, everything come. Now, property management, not just a word behind it. And cover anything where you have property na. Yeah, anything you do inside covered na. That's why name have come also. So every other jobs go inside your property, is our doing na.
So basically, let us know what other jobs, the property, where you do.
Cleaning,
Mhm.
okay, may doing cleaning service, brush, everything. And then, repair water, plumbing, everything, electrical, aircon, and everything of property again. And then one thing na, rubbish collection. Okay? So time we doing rubbish collection, first time we start here, we doing cleaning. But then, muna ba collecting rubbish? Then we say, oh, we extend yung room, collecting rubbish to every house. So every one contracts mo na. So time you collecting, but then time you go clean up, work kasi, but about plumbing jobs, no good to plumbing. No ba? So that kami doing plumbing natin. Ano ba? Right siya, no good. What calling? Everything yan come under property management. Yes. And one for something time you doing entrepreneur, name bro company. Important for yung wide names are cover everything that we study.
You know, entrepreneurship is all about identifying a problem, identify a problem, and you solve it. You look into property management is a big problem in Poniara. That's why you went into property management.
Yes, I think that one I mean, kasi may garan mo ta town council doon, others taka business o tagagaran mo din yun. I think the problem na is imino garan enough of course. Kami din rubbish collection niya, but they are the best ones taka nice group doing here, other business or doing rubbish collection ito. At yung para no enough imino country yan. Me just doing lo ta contracts basis lo ta when we garan contract with the clients yun naman. Hem no meaning that pulo nera namin. Other things mo din may okay, at yun sila rubbish yan. At yung imino garan proper disposal management hem ka. Like time migo ya, bamigo separate things, but then like bottles, mino sa wena pamito. Everything I go rubbish lang sa mino ba ko ta managing sila wala bone man no sa mga only things no mga pa mi sa collective because pamigo research. But ko ada ang proper managing that one, yun yung garan facility ay. Ni pala ba go straight ko turuan mo mga lagi. Anything na disala things where because I'm sa resilient.
Yeah, before we welcome the conversation about this collection, it's very important. Building site maintenance, you actually employ how many people work for this one, or you just hire people?
Okay, we can look formal I mean around 12 pala out of formal one without NPF paid, everything into them. But then other projects are coming, so this is kasi 40 or some castles. Okay, so castles you are taking out as soon as project and finish. So formal ones we got around 12.
And they include castles.
Castles are coming and out.
But you know, you as an entrepreneur, setting up business is a formal thing. Yeah, you got to start the requirements, the tax, and what are other things? You doing this one too, or what are you like?
I think that's one very important one for us. Make sure you be licensed, the HCC, in company house, and then not forgetting that you must pay tax yearly. IRD, yeah, or in other revenue. Then compile them reports for you, then you go make them proper. That one will be easy. Maybe somebody will be paying for doing an audit and everything. And then not forget them Wakaman, so NPF Logata mas. So those taka application siya, but asking whether you pay that one as a payment, so you need to verify o kata report siya po, I didn't go through. And then other things also insurance, and very important law companies. Yung workman compensation, that one, yung naman, yung everybody sa atin. And then, narawan na, PNL, pala ng public liability. Tapos, this time, asking, ganun public liability. So, things yun, kami ganun public liability. And then, higher one, where you say, taking mo the project siya. So, time mo tender out, at yan, bisa talang, but may ganun that. That one na, bisa laki, taka small job siya. Because yan, may ganun formal insurance cover, everything yan, may tayo medium business, no man of forget of small things.
But I'm dealing with the money. Do you think it's a little bit demanding too, especially a lot of fees, yeah? Demanding and insurance?
If you timing you should never good, like you look forward for what number have to income, okay? Plan management of how you spend, but you say, things are easy for you. Easy for you paying the money. But no big for the premium times so even tax na ba to? Time you live in longer but tax will be high. As long as you live every year, tax by kasi we're affordable said.
Me like come touch more on rubbish collection. This is one of your, just part of the property management. Yeah, man. So you doing collecting of rubbish load or what can certain?
Kaya pa long the clients naman when may karang contracts lang. Let's say early morning we go, we start lo New Zealand High Com resident. We come down with Chinese embassy. Then we go up lo the SPO, the W. Then we go to CBSI. Then we go with, from New Zealand, the New Zealand High Com, we run a Mosik assign. And then SPO, Credit Corp, correct there. And then USP are both campus, we collecting, Luzon Tama and Loya. And then APCO. Okay.
So quite a lot.
Yeah, and one day, because only Mondays naman.
Oh, so you collect every Monday?
Only Mondays.
Oh, it is daily or 3 times?
Every Mondays, then we never miss it every Monday na. So 1 week, every 1 week.
So rubbish items are pile up a little bit for a week?
And ba kasi, good number na.
So you doing how many load for dumping the rubbish stuff?
Everyone have one load naman. We just extending naman vehicle eh. And sa 1, by 2 o'clock, we should go rubbish dump.
Oh, so you looking, over the clients to you where you go collect the rubbish over there. I think over there some waste management here, yeah, man. They actually put them inside over the bins and plastics and ready for you collect.
Yes,
this is all a triple area. Refuse, reuse, and recycle.
Yeah.
Or they actually set in couple of different one or just put a couple of one for soup no more.
Oh, ta puting kamo dia sup naman na. So pa mi pala naman try for separating. Yung separating check naman for recycle naman mi sa collecting. Refuse then what na sabi niya go straight lora na din na. I think may no any facility for doing other things mo. So mi pala go paying fee naman go inside. Dump only Ottawa for resale na bago pa na wala po. At least extra money block the boys.
If you look in waste management problem, will be problem sa Konyara, yeah. It starts at home, you know. Time rain you will look na rubbish pa on top na from inside pulag na kukum. Yeah. Do you think you should guarantee small waste management inside those homes cleaning and by helping town to clean too or something too?
Yeah, and barawa good if start your house, the home na. But the other idea me looking na, if you start in the home, but then town council must collect it too. Because as you do waste management, you straighten your house, but then stay go for 2 months. Baham time rent kam, baham toro ko na biasa macam ko business start 2 months.
So that leaves me, if anyone were me what's come and maybe would like contracting you for, I come and pick our rubbish on Monday too. You think you shall do?
Yes, I do, but like
charges now, you know.
Yeah, charges are between by me contracting. Sometimes I mean 100 to 150 pa bin. Okay, so depends on the contracts na. But look at the individual home, maybe I do contract and story and then for come back. Okay, for payment and also daily switch sabi. But then meeting him naman. Rather you like pay me. Was if you thinking then you starting one for business too. Starting also mission because you need the town you need him stuck on.
Yes.
Me one for man no. And 2-3 nice one go ahead too.
Logistically, you know something doing.
Hard for me doing full. I'm only the clients.
Any future plans for building and property management in the next 5 years? Growing more, growing bigger, or venture into another entrepreneur idea in city?
I think the plan is like if we get them out of garbage truck. Yeah, if we take 2-3 more, then we start to asking HCC commit to come out of smaller areas. There's some areas, but 2-3 months, I want to collect it. So I think the plan is for me to grow big. Because this time, you see naman, 3-ton truck, we got to pala, but then we still drive. Yeah. But then if we got a proper vehicle brand or truck brand, then we shall increase it, then we will go around more. No, I think everybody's doing this economic activity for helping. I think the attitude really for doing business, anything, whether you sell everything cake or whether you may chemisto, ano dyan, attitude rin for doing business na. Okay? Time you for doing business, like me as a director, we must live off salary too. Okay? And now we need that anytime naman. So, proper attitude for doing business. Okay? And naman, but yung important one, anything is our start. Any business. But then we encourage them to that even inside of sila rubbish collection ng good business and good money. Me looking at good money lang. Then no big job too. Maybe once a week. For that go, 2 o'clock, nilora na din outside and end of month, every client pay na.
No, takat.
Happy. Next one naman, you know, miss him in the stream, good waka. Palit yung rubbish. If area mo rubbish yan, get it. Cleaning po yan. Extra job ang bibigay. So I think the attitude naman for yung business yan naman. Yan important. Time you doing business, you separate from the business. So, business yan naman, you separate. So take pay po.
Finally, people are watching and they want your contact. What's your official contact? Your email, phone number, WhatsApp? What can you use?
Oh, ating phone number naman ay 74868843. Number since Telecom started to senior $450. So, kami never change. But then, siya contact me on FB, in CW Ruba. Okay? So, from there, siya contact me.
And same number too, no WhatsApp?
Same number to no WhatsApp. So, siya contact din yung story, how ba anything. Okay? So, every client siya, depend naman. Some pala big clients and different. So, yung isa story, even private homes, so yung story po. It's time because you say pay lo enseñan naman. So, and naman you say pay kami lo enseñan. So, life is easy. Bami no lipatan niyo. Yun naman.
Thank you, CW Ruba, for time, please.
Thank you, Thomas.